Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video we're going to be doing more of the kitchen. We're going to finish doing the bottom cabinets. So today, like, there's going to be several clips in this video, but today I'm just going to do the first coat on the bottom cabinets. It already has the first coat of primer, which you would have seen in the other makeover video. And today I'm just going to do one coat of paint because I have to have so much time, like drying time between each coats. So I'm only going to be able to have time to do one coat today while Cooper's at school. So we're going to work on doing one coat today and then finishing the second coat tomorrow. So then the cabinets will be done and painted, and I'll be so happy when they're done and painted. And then eventually we're going to start working on the backsplash. So exciting things happening. The kitchen is on its way to being done and it's so exciting, but I need to stop talking so I have enough time to get the first coat on the bottom cabinets. So without further ado, let's get painting.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Okay friends, so it is a few days later. I did the first coat on the cabinets. I'm going to work on the second coat right now. I did miss a few spots when I did the first coat, so I got to go do those first so that maybe when I like make my way back around to those, that area might be dry and then I can do the second coat on those areas. It's just like little areas on the sides of the, like right here, I forgot to do the second coat. I don't know. And then the bottom, like kickboard or footboard or whatever it is at the very bottom, I forgot to do that as well. So I need to do that, those places first, and then I'm gonna start doing the second coat of paint on the cabinets. And then hopefully I can work on the backsplash today. I can work on the backsplash when Cooper's home because he can't reach it, so I can work on that when he's here. I just can't work on the cabinets when he's here because it's the bottom cabinets and he'll touch wet paint, things like that. So I gotta do that while he's at school. So I have 2 hours to finish up these cabinets, and then I'm gonna start working on the backsplash once he is home from school. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into finishing up these cabinets.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. My memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away. But I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones. I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
Okay friends, so here's where the kitchen is at right now. I am still waiting for a handle for this drawer down here. I had ordered 2 sets, but they weren't the same, and the holes were a little bit off on the other ones that I purchased. So I'm hoping the ones that I purchased this time are the same as this. They look the same, so fingers crossed when it gets in it works out. If not, I'm gonna have to order all new things. I don't know what I was thinking when I ordered them. But then I also finished the backsplash. Now it looks a little odd right now, but when you get paint on it, it tends to look a lot better. Like you can kind of see some spots here where it looks like it's a little bit lifted and stuff like that, and it is a little bit bubbly in through here, but once you get paint on it, you don't notice it as much. So hopefully that will happen. I know on the wall that I did in my hallway, once it was painted, it looked a lot better. So hopefully that happens over there as well. And then I do still have to cut this stuff off. I'm waiting for it to dry because when it's wet, it tears really easily. So I'm waiting for this to dry so that I can easily cut it off so that it's not lifting and like ripping and things like that. And then I did take some of the battens, the leftover battens that I've taken off the wall, and I use this to like trim out the backsplash. So I think that's really nice. And of course, this will all get painted the same color. This here is gonna get painted Swiss Coffee by Bear. And then the walls are going to be textured and painted Swiss Coffee by Bear as well. And then the trim will be accessible beige. So that's how this is looking so far. I'm absolutely loving it. And I am thinking I'm going to paint the countertops. I don't know when. Hopefully when I get back from vacation. My husband and I are going on vacation, so I won't be finishing the kitchen before we go, but I will definitely make some progress on the kitchen before I go. And I'm definitely thinking of doing like faux marble paint on the countertops. That's kind of like what I'm leaning towards right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, or even just painting them plain white might work as well. I don't know. I'm kind of undecided about that, but I do know that they need to be painted because they are too close in color to the cabinets. So I will be changing the countertops. I just don't know what I'm going to do yet, but that will come. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, so that was what I shared with you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, I will be working on the kitchen once I get back from vacation. So more kitchen makeover videos will be coming once I get back. And I'm just absolutely loving how it's all coming together. So if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.